Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with chapter 9 of geography, and the name of the chapter is Temperate Grassland, Life in the Temperate Grasslands. Children, as you all know that forest plays a very important role, and trees are the main elements of the forest. Same is the grass. Grass is also a major part of the forest, and there are varieties of grasses grown. So grasslands are also still occurs in every part of the world. Mainly the grasslands of the world are divided into two: temperate grasslands and tropical grasslands. And do you know how these grasslands differ? Here we should speak about the climate. The climate, the rainfall are the main elements of the grasslands. Temperate grasslands of North America, they are known as prairies. Then we have other regions where these grasslands, they are known by different names. So today in this chapter, we will study about the different grasslands of various continents and how the flora, the fauna and the life of the people are affected. So let's start with the explanation of the chapter Life in the Temperate Grasslands. So children, I was telling you about the temperate grasslands. Just as a forest can be defined the place where trees are the main type of vegetation. Similarly, grasslands can be defined as a region where grasses form the dominant type of plant life. Children, grasslands, they make up almost a quarter of the total land surface, and the type of plants that grow here greatly depend upon the climate and soil. As climate plays an important role in the formation of grasslands, it is also used as a basis to divide the world's grasslands into two that occur in the temperate region and those that occur in the tropical regions. Today we will study about the temperate grasslands, and in the temperate grasslands, the first grassland which we are going to study are the prairies. Prairies. Now let's have a quick look at what I have told you just now. What are grasslands? Grasslands are generally open and continuous, fairy flat areas of grass. They are often located between temperate forests at high latitudes and deserts at subtropical latitudes. The most widespread vegetation in world. The origin of mountains during the Miocene and Pliocene epochs came a period favorable to grassland vegetation, declining the nearby forests. So these are the names of the temperate grasslands which are found across the world. The prairies of the Great Plains of North America, the pampas of South America, the veld of South Africa, the steppes of Central Eurasia and surrounding the deserts in Australia. So this is the location of the different temperate grasslands which are found all across the world. Now, what are temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands have cold winters and warm summers with some rain. In temperate grasslands, trees and shrubs are completely absent or rare. There are mainly four types of temperate grasslands: Wells of Africa, Prairies of North America, Steppes of Europe and Central Asia, and Pampas of South America. The three most prominent features of temperate grasslands are their climate, soil, and flora and fauna. So these are the grasslands: prairies of North America, pampas of South America, veldt of Africa, steppes of Eurasia. So these are the main temperate grasslands of the world. Now let's see first of all the prairies. The prairies, as I have told you right now, they are the temperate grasslands of North America. Prairies are enormous stretches of flat grassland with moderate temperatures, moderate rainfall, and few trees. When people talk about the prairie, they are usually referring to the golden, wheat covered land in the middle of North America. The Great Plains in the United States and Canada has some of the world's most valuable prairies, which grow some of the world's most important crops. The US states of Dakota, Montana, Nebraska, Texas, Colorado, and New Mexico, and the Canadian provinces of Alberta make up the Great Plains. So this is the map and the location where temperate grasslands and tropical and subtropical grasslands are found. Now let's have a quick look on the climate of prairies. The climate is of continental type with extreme temperatures. The summers are warm with around 20 degrees Celsius and the winters are arid with 20 degrees Celsius. The rainfall is moderate with a local wind known as Chinook. Chinook, children, it is a hot wind that blows in winter and therefore raises the temperature. Due to this wind only, the temperature is increased. Now let's study about the flora and fauna. Areas with moderate rainfall, trees such as willows and elders grow. In areas where the soils are fertile, the major crop is maize, soybean, and potatoes. In areas where rainfall is sparse, cattle are reared and are kept in huge farms known as ranches. Bison or the American buffalo is the most important animal. The other animals found are rabbits, coyotes, gophers, and prairie dog. Bison, children, or the American buffalo, as I have told you, it is the most important animal of this region and it is nearly got extinct due to its indiscriminate hunting and is now a protected species. So, this is about the flora and fauna. Now, let's see what type of people are found in this region. The people in the prairies, they are very hardworking. Their main occupations are animal husbandry and farming. Prairies are known as the granaries of the world due to the large surplus of wheat production. Why it is known as the granaries of the world? Because their wheat cultivation, wheat production is done in large amount. They grow and harvest their crops using world-class technologies. Large mineral deposits, especially of iron and coal, have helped this region become more industrialized. So, children, due to large mineral deposits, especially of iron and coal, this region has become more industrialized. And dairy farming is another major industry, and the dairy belt extends from the Great Lakes to the Atlantic coast in the east. And dairy farming and extensive agriculture both promote setting up of food processing industries. Then children, one more last main thing is due to large mineral deposits, particularly of coal and iron, a good network of roadways, railways and canals in this region have made this region the most industrialized region in the world. So, this region has become the most industrialized region due to development of a good network, I should say, a good network of roadways, railways and canals. Children, try to understand everything about this prairies. Go through the chapter and mark all the important points about this prairies grassland and see its location in the map of the world. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.